Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last month and how the price of gold can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, and I have already explained you that there are two patterns forming. Okay, and these two patterns clearly states that there is a high probability that the gold can go further upside. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video where I have already explained you that if the price sustain above a level of $1852, chances of going further upside is there. Okay, now look at this particular trend. This is the trend, the same pattern is forming. This is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, and this is from 2020 to 2022. This is trend. These are the two trends, and the similarities that you have to understand here is that, see, a downfall has come, and an upside we have seen, that is also forming the same upside here. Okay, and it has already made a high of around $2010. Okay, if chances are very high, if this level sustain, it can go further upside. Okay, so now if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain, chances are very high, yes, it can sustain, but what we have seen as per weekly and day wise chart, there is a good volatility in the market. Okay, so see, as we can see that it has come into a particular support, and from there we have seen a bounce back, $1949, from there we have seen a bounce back come, and now it is trading at $1952.51. Okay, so the next resistance we can see coming at around $1958.91 and at a level of $1964. Chances are very high as if this level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $1958.19 to a level of $1964, and once it sustain above that level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1972, and once it sustain above that level, then we can see it can cross a level of around 1987. Keep this in mind, because what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, because once it sustain above a level of 1964, chances of touching a level of 1972 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1982, and once it goes above that particular level, then we can see a level of 1991 to a level of 1996. Okay, and once 1996, that you have to understand, this is a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. We can see it can cross a level of 1996 and can touch a level of around $2010. Okay, $2010 is a resistance, that is where the price has come down now. Okay, so once it sustain above $2010, chances are very high it can cross that particular level and can go towards a level of $2064, and it can touch its all-time high of around $2074, and once it goes above that level, then it can make its new high. Okay, so you have to understand is that the green candle is forming. Okay, and chances are very high this, yes, after sustaining this particular level, it can go further upside. Okay, as the trend is speaking as per that, and the price action is also showing an upward trend till the time it is sustaining a level of around 1948. And if that level, see, always understand something, you can predict a market trend. Okay, but you cannot say that the market will go continuously on the upside or continuously on the downside. You have to be ready with your SL, with your limit for a particular trade or for a particular day, so that your capital should not be wiped out, or you should not be in a hurry to take out your profit. Always try to follow 60 or 70% rule. What it says, that once your profit comes to, suppose if your profit is $1000, once it comes to 1700, 700, exit the trades, or 600, exit the trade as per the risk. Okay, then you will be more relaxed. Okay, whether the profit goes 2000, 5000, but you have to understand that if the market is volatile, you have to, but otherwise you can wipe out your capital also if it comes in loss. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can come towards a level of $1948.53, which is next support. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 1934. Okay, once it moved below that level, then we can see a level of $1914 to a level of 1909. Okay, and once it moved below that particular level, then we can see a level of $1885, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1871. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, it can go towards a level of 1842, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards 1818. Okay, after 1842 then we can see a level of 1818, and once it move below that particular level, then we can see a level of around after 1818 to a level of around 1794. Keep this in mind because the market is volatile, and if you look at the particular chart of monthly, we can see the next support after 1949 to a level of 1929 to a level of 1914, and once it goes below that level, chances of touching a level of 1876 is also there. Okay, and this is already a weak support, so chances of going towards $1851 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low. If the price fall below level of 1900, I'll explain you where the price can move. Okay, now understand something why most of the traders lose money. Okay, they try to make it 100%, 50% of their profit, okay, in a single day. They don't understand 5 or 10% profit if they are getting. Okay, that is more than enough if the market is volatile. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, if you are trading, suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. Suppose if you even do 5 trades, maximum loss you can do is $500. Exit the trade for the day and trade the next day. You will be more focused. Understand, you will be more focused on profit the next day, because 500 will not affect your psychology, but if you lose more, then definitely it will be an issue for you. Okay, so and it can wipe out your capital also. Okay. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. I teach in workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that, and then you. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.